Hi yogis, today we're gonna work on our core and also reducing belly fat. So this is gonna be a short workout and very beneficial for our overall mobility as well. So let's start. First, we're gonna come to be on one knee and place the other leg 90 degrees to the left. Then we're gonna put our left arm next to our leg here, and with this elbow we're gonna reach our other elbow. So it goes like this. We breathe in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. And usually I would recommend you do this exercise 25 times to one side and 25 times to the other side. This is also very good for our spinal flexibility and mobility, and for the hips as well. Breathe in and out, in and out. Ten more. 8, 6, 4, 3, and last one. Very good, and now we're moving to the other side. Place the right hand next to the leg and do the same movement here. And 10 more. Breathe in and out, in and out. 6, 4, and last one. Very good. Now we're gonna move on with staying here quite low, and I'm gonna place the hands like this in front of us, and we're gonna place one knee to the ground and come back up to the ground and come back up, ground, come back up. Breathe out when you come to the center. And again, this is something that is very good for the knees, for the hips, for mobility, and also for the core, for the belly area. 10 more. And 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Now we're moving on. We're going into Malasana squat here. Go as deep into the squat as possible. And just stay here for a moment. And now take with your left arm, take in the ankle of the left leg, and we're gonna stretch ourselves up here and switch. And this is very good for reducing belly fat, but also opening our pelvic floor, opening the power of our Svadhisthana and our root chakra as well. And last 5, 3, 2, 1. Stay here for just a moment more. And now we're gonna place our hands in the back, just like we're placing them to the front. We're now placing them on one side and other side. Breathe in and out, in and out. And come to the center. Very good. And now our forward folds here. Stretch your legs and put your arms to the ground. If you wish, you can place your palms under the legs here. And 1, 2, and come to the squatting pose and forward fold. 1. So from the side, if you want, you can place hands here or under your toes. Legs are wide and we go to the squat and down. And deep breaths here. Breathe in and out. In and out. In and out. In and out. And 2 more. Very good. Now go into the baby pose for a moment, just to give your back a stretch here. Place your hands to the side and push yourself back up. And now go into the cat-cow here. Breathe in and out. In and out. In and out. Very good. Now come to the center and just rest here. I hope you enjoyed this little workout for your core and your pelvic, and to reducing your belly fat as well. It will work wonders. So I wish you have a beautiful day and all the best.